In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a class from an element in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. First, let's open Webflow and navigate to your project. Once you're there, take a moment to survey your design and locate the specific element from which you'd like to remove a class. As you find your desired element, remember that it's always helpful to double-check your choice to ensure you're working with the correct element in your layout. Once you've selected the element, shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you will see the Style panel, which is your hub for managing styles in Webflow. Look closely at the top of this panel. You'll find the class name of the selector that's currently applied to your element. This area is key to making changes, as it allows you to manage all the styling classes tied to your element. Next to the class name, you'll notice a small arrow. This arrow is your gateway to a variety of class management options. Click on it and you will see a drop-down menu appear with multiple options. Among these options are choices to rename the class, duplicate it, or remove it. For our tutorial, our focus is on removing the class, so let's proceed with that option. Go ahead and select Remove Class from the drop-down. A word of caution here, removing a class will strip your element of all styles associated with that class, so make sure this is what you intend to do. A good rule of thumb is to ensure you've either documented your styles or are certain they won't be needed again on your element or elsewhere in your design. Once you've successfully removed the class, you might feel tempted to rush ahead to the next task. However, there's one crucial step left to cement your changes: publishing your site. By clicking Publish, you apply these changes not only within your Webflow interface, but also make them live on the web. It's always wise to preview your site before finalizing the publish, ensuring everything looks just as you expected. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a class from an element in Webflow, making your design even more aligned with your vision. As you practice and become more familiar with these steps, you'll find managing classes in Webflow becomes an intuitive part of your web design process. Thank you for watching and happy designing.